This is yet another YouTube video that begins with making coffee. I really hate those, but stick with me because this is all about a budget espresso machine that I would actually buy given the amount of espresso that I drink in a year, which is not much at all. The Shardor 20-bar espresso machine with a built-in steam wand makes more than just an average espresso, and you don't have to worry about it costing the sum of a mortgage payment. What I love about this thing is that it makes great coffee in minimal time, and you don't have to be a professional barista or a coffee snob to know how to use it or to enjoy the end product. I'm very far from a coffee snob, but I do appreciate a good cup of coffee. Now, to be honest, I don't enjoy the process of making coffee. I don't enjoy trying different roasts or different sources of beans. I just want coffee that tastes good and doesn't take too long to make. I love a good French press, but I hate waiting for it to brew. I just want the coffee. So this machine really fits my needs perfectly and allows me to sit and read in the morning instead of worrying about trying to make a good cup of coffee. The price, for me, is definitely worth what you get. So check out the link in the description and save yourself some money on that espresso machine you've been wanting.